Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to walk you through a clear and professional step-by-step guide on how to fix an Oppenheimer account. Freeze efficiently. Welcome to our channel. Starting out, when you notice your Oppenheimer account has been frozen, it can be both confusing and frustrating. But don't worry, we have a straightforward guide to get you back on track. Fast step 1. First, verify the freeze notification has indeed come from Oppenheimer by checking your email or official communications. This ensures that it is not a scam or phishing attempt. Step 2. Log into your Oppenheimer account carefully to check for any alerts or messages within the platform. These messages often provide specific reasons for the freeze or additional instructions. Step 3. Gather any relevant documents you might need in advance. These may include your identification documents, proof of address, recent transaction statements, or any correspondence related to your account. Step 4. Contact Oppenheimer customer support directly via the official phone number or secure online chat. These channels will allow you to speak with a representative who can explain why the freeze occurred and what you need to resolve it. Step 5. Follow the instructions provided exactly. This often involves uploading requested documents or confirming account transactions or updates. Step 6. Once you have submitted your information, request confirmation and estimated timelines from the support team and keep track of any reference numbers or case IDs. Step 7. While waiting, remain patient and avoid any actions that could further complicate the situation, such as trying to reopen the account multiple times or submitting repeated requests. Step 8. After you receive confirmation that the account has been unfrozen, verify all your account details and recent transactions to make sure everything is in order and secure. Step 9. If the freeze was caused by suspicious activity, consider changing your passwords and enabling additional security measures like two-factor authentication. Step 10. Finally, learn from this experience by regularly monitoring your account activity and maintaining up-to-date contact information with Oppenheimer to prevent future freezes. We hope this guide helps you resolve your Oppenheimer account freeze efficiently. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video for more helpful content.